Ever wondered how to describe a straight line on a graph? Today, we're diving into the powerful world of linear equations, specifically using the slope-intercept form. By the end, you'll understand how to write the equation of a line when you know its slope and where it crosses the y-axis. Our journey begins with the slope-intercept form, y equals mx plus b. Think of it like a recipe with two key ingredients, the slope, m, and the y-intercept, b. Let's visualize this. Imagine a line on a coordinate plane. The y-intercept, b, is where the line crosses the vertical y-axis. In our example, it's at the point 0, 3. Now the slope, m, tells us how steep the line is. It's the rise over run. For our line, the slope is -5. This means for every step we move to the right, we go down 5 steps. So we've identified our ingredients, a slope of -5 and a y-intercept of 3. Now let's substitute these values into our formula. We take our empty template, y equals mx plus b, and fill in the specific numbers we found. And there you have it. The final equation of our line is y equals -5x plus 3. This equation is the line's unique mathematical fingerprint. It tells us exactly where the line is no matter how far it extends.